Lamborghini's Aventador replacement will keep the V12, with a twist. What it is, the unnamed replacement for Lamborghini's flagship Aventador supercar, pictured here in a rendering by our illustrator. Why it matters. Wedge-shaped V12 supercars have been Lamborghini's calling card since the original Countach nearly 50 years ago. Although the company branched out to smaller supercars, today's V10-powered Huracán, for example, and even SUVs, the Urus, in recent years, the big V12 model remains the flagship and the Countach's spiritual successor. Fuel economy and emissions regulations continue to squeeze big engines out of existence, but Lamborghini has vowed to keep its V12 alive for as long as possible, and it'll need a car to power. The Aventador has been on sale for a full decade now and simply can't carry on as is in the face of such regulations. Platform and powertrain. Sources indicate the Aventador replacement will be more evolutionary than revolutionary. With the V12's impending regulatory death and the industry's shift toward electrification, Lamborghini appears to be spending its money carefully on updating the existing formula rather than starting from a clean sheet. We're told it will follow the idea laid out by the Ferrari nearly a decade ago, sandwiching a thin pancake electric motor between the naturally aspirated V12 engine and the transmission. Lamborghini has experimented with supercapacitors in the limited edition Sian FKP37, based on the Aventador, but our sources indicate the Aventador successor will use a battery pack, as the car must be able to travel a few dozen miles on pure electric power in order to satisfy emissions laws in many European cities. We are also told it will retain mechanical all-wheel drive rather than employing electric motors on the front axle. Sources conflict on whether the old single-clutch automated manual transmission will return, as the electric motors